I'm so honored and grateful that I got this opportunity to be a speaker in FemiFlex. I think I can add a lot of value to the conversation to actually be that woman leader who has been able to break barriers, break stereotypes. There are some fantastic women who have gone from mechanical engineering and reached very senior levels in their careers, and they are doing amazing work in different industries. When I took over as the India Managing Director, the representation of women in engineering itself was not at a level that we wanted it to be, maybe about 14%. And in the last 3 years or so, we've nearly doubled it. So as we speak today, it's 28%, and that too in the oil and gas sector, in energy petrochemical sector, it's huge. In mechanical engineering, we have at least 30% representation, which was definitely not the case in the past. The talent is there, and there are women who are very keen to actually go ahead in their career and rise to leadership roles, but they need to have the right enabling environment where it's not just about technical expertise but also about building those leadership competencies. Because of the fact that mechanical engineering happens to be a discipline where there's been no lower representation of women, you don't see too many role models. So I think there's to be a conscious effort by organizations to spotlight women who are doing well. Nothing can be better than this, because you're talking about innovation and sustainability and being the key sort of focal areas, and then inclusivity running through. You cannot ignore the fact that sustainability has to be front and center of every business, every leader, and every engineer for that matter, because we live in a world where many of the countries are facing huge implications due to climate change and disruptions all over the world. So sustainability is a way of life, and it has to be a culture, and you can't actually drive sustainability without actually bringing in the element of inclusivity, because women contribute a lot directly to promoting sustainability. And the more you educate women about that, and the more you enlist them as part of that ecosystem to promote sustainability, that means you become more inclusive, then you will be more successful in driving sustainability. We really have to tap into the talent pool, and by doing that, we can certainly see bigger innovation and the dream of India becoming like the innovation capital of the world. That can happen. Certainly the potential is there. I think this is a phenomenal event which will give a great opportunity for the people that are part of it to hear some of the mind-blowing conversations that will come from thought leaders, industry leaders, as well as academia leaders, to talk about the future that we can all co-create together. So please do not miss this opportunity and make sure you're there at the event.